right, guys, I'm going to give you the ultimate showdown today. I'm going to Nordstrom Rack. I am going to TJ Maxx. I'm going to Ross, and I'm going to Burlington Coat Factory, and I'm going to compare all four of these stores. I'm sorry, I'm not going to Marshall's because Marshall's is TJ Maxx in so many words, right? But I'm going to go to these several different stores to give you a comparison on their handbags to see who's the greatest, who's the least greatest, who's the cheapest, who got the best deals. All right, so let's get started. We're at Nordstrom Rack first. And one thing I will say about Nordstrom Rack is they're going to have bags that the other stores don't have. Now, of course, they got the same brands. This is Michael Kors. But I have never seen a bag this small. Like, this is like a cell phone bag. I've never seen a bag this small. This bag is $69 or $70. And I thought it was super dope. And then this is just a spot a little bit larger. And I've never seen it with grommets, but I have seen this bag in other stores. This one is like $99. And other stores, you can get it for like $79. So that's the big difference between Nordstrom and TJ Maxx versus Ross and versus Marshalls or Burlington. They're going to be cheaper. This is Ross. No, this is TJ Maxx right here. And right now, this bag is on sale for $80. Okay. So, of course, I'm going to pick that one over those other ones because it's a little bit bigger and it's still Michael Kors, right? This bag is super dope. It's so cute, y'all. It's so tiny. And it's like a hipster bag or a crossbody bag too. You can make it larger. I thought this was a really cute bag. I believe it was like $70, around $70. But either way, all the price ranges are going to be around the same. But the thing that I show that's different is that you're going to see a better variety of bags at Nordstrom, right? But even this one, I've never seen a Michael Kors bag like this at any of the other stores. Okay, now this was like $180, so it was a little high. Actually, it might have been $230. I think this one was $230, so it might have been a little bit higher than the other ones. However, it is a really cute, sophisticated, chic bag, right? And then you had other color bags at Nordstrom Rack. Now keep in mind, this is a bucket bag. Okay, now this was the one that was $230, so the other one was like $180. This one was like $230. So of course they're gonna tax you for that one. And in those other stores like not Target, TJ Maxx, Ross, and Burlington, you're pretty much just gonna get a tote when it comes to Michael Kors. Okay, you're not gonna see a whole lot of these different style bags at anywhere but Nordstrom. So one thing I will say is if you want a sure thing to get you a bag, then you would go to Nordstrom. But if you really, really want to fish around, you see this bag is the same one at TJ Maxx. The same exact bag that I showed you at the beginning. So if you want to fish around and see what they can find, see what you can find at TJ Maxx, then I would say TJ Maxx is probably your second best deal to actually find you some nice Michael Kors bags or, more like upscale bags. The difference between Nordstrom Rack as well is that it's going to have different brands. There was a lot of Marc Jacobs. Now, there's been times I walked in TJ Maxx or Ross and I've only seen like one Marc Jacob bag, okay? Or a Rebecca Minkoff bag. There's not many Rebecca Minkoff bags at those other stores. This is at Nordstrom. Look how many Marc Jacob bags is sitting there. These bags are like $160 though. So keep in mind they're higher and you're probably going to find a better deal when it comes to price. This is a Rebecca Minkoff bag. Her bags are dope. I mean, they are definitely, reminiscent of, what's the other brand? It doesn't cross my mind right now. However, this bag is cold, y'all. This bag was on sale, y'all, for $80. Okay, so this is one of them red tag bags where it's gonna be an extra % off. So it probably wasn't even $80. And then they had Tory Burch at Nordstrom, right? So that's all I'm saying about the differences between the store. They're all ranging around the same price, anywhere from $69 on up to $300. But Nordstrom is gonna have more. They're gonna have bags like this. Who is this? Kurt Geiger. They're gonna have Kurt Geiger bags, and that's gonna be very scarce at any of those other stores, right? This bag was really hot. It was really dope. That rainbow color bag by Kurt Geiger was a big seller. And one thing about what I said about Nordstrom is when you walk in a Nordstrom store, you're gonna find these things originally. Now here's the difference. These crystal like bags, these Swarovski type of bags, do not pay $35 or higher at Nordstrom. You can go find these bags at Ross. Okay, Ross is gonna give them to you for $15. It might not be the exact same, or it might be. This is TJ Maxx, $25. TJ Maxx, $25, and actually on sale for $20. That was a really heavy bag too, but $25 at TJ Maxx, right? Burlington Coat Factory, you might get them for $20, but Ross, you gonna get them anywhere from $15 on up to $17. They gonna give you a deal. Now, I showed you a bag at Nordstrom Rack. Well, I'm going to show you a bag at Nordstrom Rack that's higher than Ross. A straight up comparison. But this bag right here, I loved at TJ Maxx. And like I said, they are running $25. This one was adorable. $25, y'all. Don't go to Nordstrom and buy these bags. Let TJ Maxx, you want to give them some of your business, go to TJ Maxx or even Ross. And like I said, this one was $25. It was a envelope bag, very thin. I didn't think it was worth $25, but it was super cute. Super, super cute. All right, here we go. $35, right? Love that bag. I tried it on and everything because I just was like, oh, I'm in love with this bag. I go to Ross and bam, there goes the same exact bag, $15.99, y'all. Why would I not go to this this Ross? And even at Ross, I saw some Rebecca Minkoff jeans that was super dope as well. Now, Anne Klein, you can find Anne Klein anywhere, and they actually kind of range in the same price. The difference between Anne Klein and Nordstrom's is it's going to be a better, more sooner bag, like a bag that's, closer to today's date. I don't know what I'm saying, guys. Sorry. But they also have Michael Kors at TJ Maxx on sale. You seen Anne Klein. Now, Anne Klein can get a little bit, not Anne Klein, Spade can get a little bit expensive no matter where you go. So you have to be careful with Spade. I wouldn't buy a Spade camera bag for $129 when Michael Kors is selling it right here for $99. This bag was also at Nordstrom, but it's on sale at TJ Maxx. So if you got time, I would definitely go to TJ Maxx and see what you can find and try to compare what you see from TJ Maxx versus Nordstrom and even Ross. Y'all, do not sleep on Ross. And Burlington, it's only been one time where I've seen a whole row of Michael Kors bags, but for the most part, Burlington does not have that stuff, in my opinion. Now, if you see it a lot, let me know. Y'all, I love that bag. It is definitely giving the latest Michael Kors bags that's actually at Macy's, or the Michael Kors shoes, I'm sorry. And this bag I also saw at Nordstrom. So this was at TJ Maxx. So TJ Maxx and Nordstrom's are the closest. They're a little bit close in price, probably maybe $10 cheaper. So yeah, I would definitely go to Nordstrom and then check out TJ Maxx so you can see for yourself. I saw this bag as well. It was a lot bigger at Nordstrom, but yes, this bag was also there. So keep in mind, y'all, don't sleep on none of these stores. Don't sleep on none of these stores. And I mean, if you got time to go to Marshall's, then yes, go to Marshall's as well. But they all got the same stuff. It's just going to be more frequent at Nordstrom and easier to find. And if you get you a red sticker, do not sleep on that sticker. There is an additional % off on that sticker. And normally those bags or those red stickers have some type of little ding on them or something that you would never even notice. I seen somebody actually buy them a pair of Gucci tennis shoes, the real popular ones, and they got them real dirt cheap. But them shoes is like $600. I think they got them for like $175. And it's crazy because when people return things, they don't actually put them back on the rack as new. They actually give you a heavily discounted price. So pay attention to that red and white sticker that goes on the Nordstrom Rack bags, okay? Now, this is Ross. They have their higher end bags in the front. And again, they got Kate Spade, the same thing everybody else has. And they are a lot cheaper than what you see at Nordstrom. So, again, you could just walk into a Ross store. At the very front, they're going to have their higher end bags. So yes, I think it's definitely worth checking out Ross before you go anywhere else, because these are some pretty decent bags. Now, I just said that they didn't have a bag like this in in Ross, and they do, because this is at Ross now. So yes, they're higher end brands. could possibly be, you know, something you might want. Also, make sure you check the sunglasses counter because they be having Gucci sunglasses and everything, and they be like $169. So just make sure you take a look at it. Don't sleep on any of these stores, but if you want a sure thing where you gonna go into the store and find what you need, to me is gonna be Nordstrom. But you're gonna pay more, but you're gonna have a much bigger variety. At Burlington, you're gonna get stuff like BB, you're gonna get stuff like DKNY, and I just feel like those brands are a little bit cheaper, okay? But guys, I love making this video and comparing it for you. Which ones do you like the best? Which store do you like shopping the best or the most? All right, like the video, comment below, and bye-bye.